Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best LED leaf lights are probably one of the most enchanting and versatile decorative lighting solutions available today, transforming any space into a whimsical wonderland with their delicate, nature-inspired design and warm, inviting glow, perfect for adding a touch of magic to holidays, parties, or everyday ambience. Number 5. KASZOO Artificial Ivy Garland with LED String Lights. Elevate any room with our artificial ivy garland. Each strand is nearly 7 feet long, and you get 12 in total, giving you 84 feet of lush greenery to work with. Included is a 396-inch string of 80 warm white LED lights. You can arrange them however you like, as they are not attached to the vines, offering endless DIY possibilities. These waterproof LED lights offer 8 different functions to suit any mood or occasion. Simply press the button on the adapter to cycle through the modes and create the perfect ambience. Our faux ivy leaves look incredibly realistic and require no special care. They are processed to be non-fading, anti-ultraviolet, non-shedding, and have a clear texture, ensuring they stay beautiful. Perfect for home, weddings, parties, or outdoor events. The artificial leaves are waterproof and sunscreen, making them suitable for any setting, indoors or out. The lights and vines come separately, giving you complete freedom to wrap, drape, or shape them to your heart's content. Ideal for bedrooms, balconies, mirrors, and holiday displays. What we like? If you love DIY projects and want ultimate flexibility, this is for you. The lights and vines come separately, allowing you to create unique arrangements for any space. It's perfect for those who enjoy personalizing their decor for parties, bedrooms, or special events. What people say. The lights work wonderful and can be remote controlled. Very easy to install. The ivy looks surprisingly realistic and instantly made the room feel more warm and inviting without any maintenance. I love that the LED lights are separate from the vines, which made it really easy to customize how I wanted everything arranged. The lights are bright but soft, with multiple modes that are fun to switch up depending on the vibe. They have around 9 different light modes, which is very good for the price. They add a good addition to any room, and there are so many different ways to hang it up. Easy to set up, clear instructions. Highly recommend. Number 4. JACKYLED 84 feet 12-pack Artificial Ivy Garland with LED Lights. Transform any space into a magical setting with our artificial ivy garland. It's perfect for weddings, parties, or simply adding a touch of nature to your home. These decorative lights are CE certified and run on AA batteries, ensuring they stay cool to the touch. The lights are separate from the vines, giving you complete creative freedom. Easily control the mood with 8 lighting modes, dimming options, and a convenient 6-hour timer. You can set it and forget it, letting the lights create the perfect atmosphere. Each garland features lifelike ivy leaves that are non-fading and anti-ultraviolet. The realistic texture and vibrant green ensure a natural look that lasts. While there might be a slight scent upon arrival due to the dyeing process, it's completely harmless. Simply air it out for a few days, and it will be ready to bring beauty to your decor. Drape them over fences, walls, or even around pipes and door frames. These versatile vines add a touch of greenery and light wherever you desire. What we like? For those who appreciate convenience and smart features, this option stands out. The included remote control with a timer function makes it easy to set the mood and forget about it. It's ideal for busy individuals or anyone looking for effortless ambience in their garden, bedroom, or party settings. What people say. The lights are very bright and the leaf design is beautiful. Easy to install, and the flexible wire allows for creative placement. The battery life is surprisingly long, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 3. Brightech Leaf Pharmacy LED Reading Lamp. Illuminate your reading, sewing, or any detailed hobby with this bright and efficient floor lamp. It provides a generous 1150 lumens, perfect for focused tasks thanks to its pharmacy shade design. This lamp blends vintage aesthetics with modern materials, fitting seamlessly into any decor. Its slim design saves space, and the adjustable arm and head let you direct light precisely where you need it. Enjoy 3 levels of brightness, 100%, 50%, or 25%, to suit any mood or task. It stays cool even after long use, making it ideal for close-up work like makeup application. Forget replacement bulbs with an integrated LED rated for 20,000 hours, lasting up to 20 years. It offers warm white light and outperforms older bulb technologies while being energy efficient. Designed with a sturdy base, this lamp is stable and less likely to tip over. You can confidently place it in your living room or office without worry. We stand behind our products with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. Our USA-based support team ensures you have reliable backing for your new lamp. What we like. If you need focused, high-quality lighting for detailed tasks, this is your go-to. Its adjustable design and dimmable feature allow you to direct light precisely where needed, making it perfect for reading, sewing, or crafts. The long-lasting LED ensures you won't be replacing bulbs anytime soon. What people say. It's a cool, very minimalist artistic design. The perfect lamp for my workspace. Very sturdy, easy to assemble, perfect weight and takes up little space. Love the lamp leaf design cover and the dimmer control. It's beautiful looking and I love the 3 brightness settings and easy touch power button. They make a perfect reading or desk lamp. The lamp is very adjustable, making it easy to direct the light where it is needed most. And the touch controls are completely awesome. It turns on off with a touch and has 3 levels of brightness. Number 2. Nanoleaf Shapes Triangles Smarter Kit 7-pack. Unleash your creativity with these modular LED panels. Easily connect them to build stunning symmetrical or abstract designs on your walls. Choose from over 16 million RGBW colors and create captivating lighting animations. Set the perfect mood, from relaxing ambience to energetic party vibes. Setting up your new lights is a breeze. Simply use the included adhesive tape to mount them on any flat surface, no tools required. Watch your favorite music come alive. These lights sync with your tunes, transforming songs into a dazzling display of color and motion. Take full control via the Nanoleaf app, use voice commands with smart home assistants, or utilize the convenient built-in controller. Elevate your gaming and movie nights. The lights can mirror your screen's colors for a truly immersive visual experience. Simplify your life by scheduling your lights. Set them to turn on or off automatically at specific times and days. What we like. For the tech-savvy gamer or home decorator looking to create a dynamic atmosphere, this is the ultimate choice. Its modular design allows for endless customization, and features like music synchronization and screen mirroring bring your entertainment to life. It's perfect for creating an immersive gaming setup or a vibrant party environment. What people say. The Nanolight hexagon panels are awesome, it works great and is kind of synced with the TV. The lights are bright, colorful, customizable, fairly easy to install, and interactive and epic. The quality, brightness, app, and overall ease of installation is by far the easiest I've ever had out of any LED project I've done. Number 1. Garwarm Modern LED Chandelier Flush Mount Ceiling Light. Introducing a stunning modern ceiling light, designed to elevate any room with its elegant floral petal aesthetic. It's the perfect blend of style and function. Effortlessly control your lighting experience. You can easily adjust the brightness from 10% to 100% and change the color temperature from warm to cool white using the included remote. Never lose your perfect lighting setting again. This fixture features a memory function that saves your last used brightness and color, so it's ready when you are. Crafted from premium iron and acrylic with a durable white finish, this light is built to last. It's anti-corrosion, anti-fading, and resistant to rust, ensuring lasting beauty. Installation is a breeze with clear, step-by-step instructions and helpful video guidance. You'll have a beautifully finished product enhancing your space in no time. Ideal for spaces between 10 to 20 square meters, this fixture is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, dining areas, and more. It creates a comfortable and stylish light environment. What we like. If you're looking for a stylish and functional lighting solution for your main living areas, this ceiling light is an excellent pick. Its modern leaf design adds a touch of elegance, while the dimmable feature with memory function allows you to set the perfect ambience for any occasion. It's ideal for living rooms, dining rooms, or bedrooms where both style and mood lighting are desired. What people say. You can adjust the light intensity. This little light is super bright on the white light setting. The night light feature is great too. Installation was really easy and the directions were straightforward. The light is maybe a finger away from the ceiling, so the light reflects off the ceiling which helps illuminate the whole room. With the remote, you can change from warm to white, adjust brightness, and turn on and off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.